Modern people are suffering from skin aging due to various factors such as stress and contamination. The Super Lifting program pulls on falling skin, enhancing its vitality. It provides a much more strong lifting effect compared to other products. The Super Lifting Pack is composed of Material 1 and Material 2. The first material is a high-enriched essence which has great effects on skin elasticity, pore tightening, brightening, elimination of blackheads, lipolysis, and wrinkle improvement. The second material is a gelation-stimulating material, great for providing strong lifting effects. Mix the first and second material and shake strongly for 30 seconds. The mixed component will change into a gel-type material. Use a brush to spread evenly throughout the face. A strong tightening and lifting effect will appear after 5 minutes. You will be able to check wrinkle enhancement and pore tightening. Super Lifting Pack permeates through not only the skin but also deep within thick skin. The material mixes with waste within pores, absorbs CO2 from the atmosphere, and causes gelation effects. The pack on top of the skin and waste within skin will be removed after washing the facial area. In addition, effects including lifting, wrinkle improvement, pore tightening, and blackhead removal.